Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your ASUS model and updating BIOS if needed. This fixes compatibility issues before you tweak settings. Reboot and press F2 or Del to enter UEFI. Once inside, switch to advanced mode so you can see all options. Make sure Windows is installed in UEFI mode or have a UEFI installer on USB ready. You do this because Secure Boot and TPM only work reliably with UEFI, skipping that causes errors later. Once done, find PCHFW configuration and enable Intel PTT or AMD FTPM. This turns on Tpm 2.0 inside the CPU, which Valorant requires. Next, disable CSM and set boot to UEFI or Windows UEFI mode. Secure Boot needs UEFI. Then go to Secure Boot, switch to Standard, and install default keys so the firmware recognizes Microsoft-signed bootloaders. Save and exit. Your firmware will reboot. You do these steps in sequence because Secure Boot depends on UEFI and TPM being active first. After booting Windows, check TPM with TPM, MSC, and run system info to confirm Secure Boot state, on and TPM version 2.0. If Windows won't boot, use the UEFI USB to repair startup, then recheck settings. Make sure Valorant's Vanguard installs after these checks. It relies on a live TPM and Secure Boot. If something goes wrong, reset Secure Boot keys to default or reflash BIOS. This usually restores firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.